Hello everyone, I am Sai and welcome back to my channel Sai Tech. In today's video to unbox the Boult Freepods Pro Bluetooth earbuds. Yes friends, finally I did get hands on this one. I did order from the Flipkart for about $12.99 for the LD Bird sale. I did get the discount of $12.99 rupees. So right now at this moment this is available for about $14.99 rupees. As you can see exactly in the Flipkart by the time I'm unboxing. I do have plenty of other Bluetooth earbuds with me as well from the Maybe, Realme, Boat and sound core as well. I'll try to do plenty of comparison using these earbuds versus those with the sound quality and the temp and the battery, and while playing games as well. That is another thing. So let's do the unbox and let's talk about the specifications of these earbuds. What is the specialty of this one? The specialty of this one is that single earbud can come up to 8 hours of playing time. Yes friends, 8 hours of play time. That is one specialty of this one which is there. Let's check. In my testing I'll let you know what is the battery exactly they are trying to hold up with the pair. And with the using the case you can get total of 32 hours with the case and everything included. So for the highest I did see in the Maybe pods has got about close to 7.5 hours of non-stop playing time, just only earbuds alone. But this is going to be really epic friends, which is 8 hours of playing time. That's going to be really insane. Let me try to quickly show the box content and how is the quality. I'll try to do the initial setup and pairing thing, and it is a Freepods Pro. As you can see friends, the box looks really very small size, it's not that big at all. So I did order the blue color which went out of stock immediately. As you can see, let's do the unboxing. Here you can see all the details about this perfectly. So noise cancellation and call and music and stereo calling and mic, Bluetooth 5.0 connectivity. And let's do the unboxing style. Let's see friends how is the quality and the build quality itself. So for this $12.99, is it worth of buying the Freepods Pro or not? That's what I'm going to check in this video. Let's see what are the contents it has got inside the box. So we do see this kind of Boult audio, and we did get some kind of manual paper, and is a small card, so which is a 1 year extension warranty. I think that is related to all the warranty will be there in the slip. And here we do, and the small case, as you can see that looks really good. Wow, the impressions are really great friends. I think this is a really good glossy type. I did like the gloss. That's really great to see. As you can see, it's really fantastic, the glossy finish. I can actually see a lot of scratches. I am not sure. As you can see, some small scratches before unboxing itself. But I do get this kind of feeling like it's a kind of really premium kind of feel. That is the one thing which I can definitely say that by looking at this Freepods. That's really good. And let me try to keep side and let's see what are the other accessories we do get in the box. I think there should be some kind of cable. Let's see what the cable we got. Is it any type C, or I don't think this is the type C one. Yes, there is a small cable and some small ear caps. Yeah, I think yes, it is type C one. That's fantastic friends. We do have the type C. That's also another biggest advantage. So nowadays some earbuds, they are not trying to use the type C. I think maybe I think Dijo earpods, maybe those doesn't have the kind of type C, but that's good thing we do have the type C. That's fantastic. And next key highlight points are instant pairing. So as soon as you open the lid, they'll instant pair with the device whatever you configured before. So now let's do the pairing. Let's see what is the pairing going on and what is the setup process involved during this time of testing. So this is a Boult audio. This is my first time buying this kind of product from the Boult itself. Let me try to take my phone. And we do the other features like the quad mics. So 2 mics for each earbud. That's also another thing. And 10 minutes of charging will give you the 100 minutes of usage. And auto pairing and opening lid and improved seamless Bluetooth connectivity. That's a main specialty features for this Boult audio thing. So let me try to connect the Bluetooth. Let's see whether they can actually detect or not while I'm trying to open the lid, whether there's some kind of charge or not. There's no button at all to press anything, nothing. There's no button. Let me try to remove and check. Let's see. And let's check the weight of this complete earbuds. Is there any kind of weight or not? Let me check the weight. Let's check the weight of this. Yes, they got connected, as you can see. And right now the weight is only 3 grams. Not bad. That's only 3 grams friends. So usually I did say about 4 grams of weight from other earbuds, but that's fantastic. So only 3 grams. Not bad. And let's see what is the codec we do have in this, using this. The codec supports AAC. That's fantastic. So high quality audio is supported by default. That's another good thing. And let's see the case weight. So 31 grams. So 31 plus 3 plus 3. So overall it will come around 37 kind of grams. That's good thing to know. So earpods, they do have the touch controls on the sideways. As you can see friends, there's a small surface. So I did like the touch control should be on the top. So that's a really convenient way to exactly pause or change the song. But right now we do have the sideways. That's really kind of annoying. So it's kind of really difficult to make the touch work sometimes. So sometimes it doesn't work at all sometimes. So it takes a lot of tries. As you can see right now it's not working. Let me double tap. So double tap to pause and double tap to play. As you can see right now the audio is playing sometimes. So it takes a couple of tries friends to make it used to that where exactly the sensor is actually. As you can see right now it's stopping and it's playing, as you can see exactly. So they did mention that there is a built-in microwoofer, as you can see inside this kind of earbuds. I'm not sure. I need to do the testing as well. So maybe today and tomorrow I'll try to do in-depth testing using this Boult audio, and we'll be back with the feedback. How is the audio quality using this too? And mainly I'll try to even focus on the audio quality, and even I'll try to focus on the battery life as well. And there is also another option which is long press. So if you try to press long, so the song will change. As you can see, if you try to use the right button, let me try to press it. As you can see the song changed, and if you try to press the left side, I think it might change to the previous song. As you can see, in this way you can actually forward and backward the songs using the left and right. That's really good thing friends. So you should long press. So you need to remember this kind of gestures as well. And I think there is even gaming mode as well in this earbuds. And there's also gaming mode which you need to triple tap. So whenever you triple tap on these gestures, it will take you into the gaming mode. And if you again triple tap, again it will turn off automatically. That's also another advantage we do have in this mode. You will get this kind of sound as well. I think beep sound one time, two times. That is another thing. And which there's I think IPX1 waterproof as well, as you can see, earbuds and the charging case. That's what they did mention. Nano coating makes it possible to the waterproof up to 1 meter deep for 30 minutes. That is what they listed on the Flipkart website regarding this thing. So definitely I did like the first impressions is the quality of the case, and the quality of the products is really good. So let's check how fast it can actually reconnect with the phone. That is what I'm going to test. Let me try to open the Bluetooth, and I'll try to open the Bluetooth, and let me try to keep it inside the pods. Let's see whether you can actually use with a single or not. Let's see whether did I keep in the correct position. I think this is right. Yes. I think you can actually use it with a single as well without any kind of issues. No problem. Let me try to keep even this thing in the. Let me try to see. And completely closed, as you can see. Let me try to open, and let's see how fast instant it can actually connect. That is what I'm going to check. I open the lid. Let's see whether the phone will be able to connect to the earbuds or not when I open the lid. No, it's not connecting. Let me try to take out the earbuds and start. Let's see now what happens. Will they connect to my phone or not automatically? Yes. As you can see right now they connected to automatically, but they're not connecting when I did open the lid. So you can actually find this kind of feature in the Realme Buds Q2. In the Realme Buds Q2, whenever you open the lid, the phone actually gets connected. That's the one thing which I was just mentioning here. So that's it friends, thank you for watching this video, and the initial impressions are really good about the quality, and it's not that weight at all. That's another thing. I need to check the sound quality, and I'll be back maybe tomorrow or day after tomorrow regarding the sound quality on this Boult audio. So for this kind of 1300 rupees, and you're getting one of the main thing I like is about 8 hours of battery backup. So single buds can give up to 8 hours of battery backup friends. That's really insane. So if you're kind of person who travels a lot in the bus or in a train anywhere, then definitely this is a must go. So 8 hours in complete journey, I can definitely listen continuously music without any kind of interruption, without even needing the charge. That's another thing. So thank you for watching this video friends, and also stay tuned for more updates on these buds. So in case if you have any other queries, let me know in the comment section below. These are the quick details. See you in the next video friends. Until then, stay tuned. Bye.